How to disable two-factor authentication on BingX. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Are you looking to remove two-factor authentication from your BingX account? If yes, then the process is quite easy, so let's get started. First of all, launch open BingX application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of BingX, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, scroll down and click on Security Center. Under Security Center, you'll be able to see the verification options you have enabled or not enabled yet. Go ahead and select any one two-factor authentication you want to disable from the menu. You can choose passkeys, Google Authenticator, email verification, phone verification, etc. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the Google Authenticator option since I've recently added it. After you choose one of the verification options, you will be able to see a small trash icon right next to the authentication. Tap on it, and then in order to remove the verification, you'll need to first go ahead and verify through email verification and Google Authenticator. Tap on Get Code and you'll receive a verification code sent to you via email. Go check your email inbox, click the email open from BingX, copy the code inside it, get back to BingX app and paste in the code in the first field. After you do that, you now need to go ahead and get to the Authenticator app. Inside Authenticator app, tap on the BingX generated code and paste it inside the BingX app and click confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to turn off one of the two-factor authentication methods under the Security Center. Repeat this step in order to delete any other 2FAs. For example, if you want to disable passkeys, select passkeys and tap the trash icon right next to passkeys and follow through the instructions. So that was how you can easily disable two-factor authentication from your BingX account. Remember, disabling two-factor authentication reduces your account's security. Anyone with your password can access your account. So only disable it on a trusted device. After disabling, you can re-enable two-factor authentication later with the new Authenticator app or SMS. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.